Are you already facing some unusual incident with your flat roof? Ponding water or direct sunlight can be the reason for it. Don't let those issues harm the entire roof structure. Contact roofing experts immediately to get over the problem. Where to contact? Empire Contractors is here for you. They use only the highest quality products for their repairing process and make sure that you won't have to worry about dealing with the same issues again. For details, visit www.roofsbyempire.com and are aware of the facilities they provide. Or dial 231-861-7221 and discuss directly. And say bye to your flat roofing problems professionally.